kindergarten. Welcome back to Math Time with Miss Corey. We're here learning all about our coins and how to count the value of our coins and how to identify our coins. We've learned all 4 coins already, and we're going to get a chance to just practice and review with our 4 coins today and tomorrow. So let's just begin by saying our poems of our 4 coins again. Okay, we're going to start with our smallest coin, the penny. Here we go. Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Here's our next one. The nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5. I know that. Next up is the dime. Dime, dime, little and brown. I remember you're worth 10. And finally, our quarter. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. Great job. Okay, so kindergarten, as we know, when we count our money, when we get to 100 cents equals $1. So we've been practicing writing our cents with that cent sign. Okay, we've been practicing writing it like 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. Okay, but there is another way for us to show our money. So let's look at this new chart. Up top in red, I wrote 100 cents equals $1. So as you can see, we have the 100 cents, the cents comes after 100. But when we write a dollar, we write the dollar sign and the 1, and then we put a period, which in math is called a decimal, and then 2 zeros, okay? Because the 2 zeros represents all of those numbers 0 through 99, okay? So let's see how we would write 1 cent as a dollar. So 1 cent, we would write the dollar sign, 0, decimal, 0, 1, because that still shows 1 cent. 5 cents would be the same, but with a 5. So it would be 5 cents equals dollar sign, 0, decimal, 0, 5. 10 cents would be a dollar sign, 0.10, because that shows 10. And finally, 25 cents is a dollar sign, 0.25 cents. So we read these the exact same way. All of these still say 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. It's just written a little differently. And you're going to start to see sometimes it written both ways. Because when you're dealing with bigger money that gets to be more than $1, you're going to start seeing the dollar sign with your coins as well and just your cents, okay? So I just wanted to show you that as an extra learning, okay? Again, we have our 4 coins, and we're just working hard to make sure that every time I pick up a coin, I know which one is which. So we have 2 options today for your practice and then an extra practice, okay? Our first option, and I'm gonna erase my board real quick, is a color by the coin, okay? Our first activity you could do is color by coin. Now, I have already colored the headers, which is what you're gonna probably wanna do as well. So what I did is I colored all of the words up top with the crayon. The quarter is blue, the dime is green, the nickel is yellow, and the penny is red. So you're gonna find those 4 color crayons or markers, and then you're gonna simply look at your sheet and say, this is a quarter. And so you're gonna color the quarter, what color? Blue. Okay, and I'm just gonna color quick so it's not gonna be Miss Corey's best coloring. What's this one? What's the back of that one? Yeah, the penny. So I'm gonna color that red. Okay, what's below here? What coin is that? The small one? The dime. Very good, that's green. Okay, and then what's this one up here, the back? That's our nickel. Great job. Okay, and then that one was yellow. So you would just go through your whole sheet and get a chance to color all of those coins and figuring out which ones they are. If you mess up, is that okay? Yeah, just X it off and color over it, okay? So that is our coloring, okay? So that's option 1, color by coins, okay? Option 2 is going to be a cut and paste, okay? So your cut and paste is going to look like this, okay? And I've already cut mine so that we're ready to go. So I've already cut it just like we always did in class, where I cut the whole bottom off and now I just have the top part of the sheet, okay? What these are gonna say is they're gonna say if I were to buy these scissors, it's worth 10 cents. So the scissors are worth 10 cents. And I'm gonna go find a picture of a dime and color and glue it right below, okay? And it's up to you. You can either look at the top and do what I just did. I looked at the scissors and I said, that's 10 cents, and I found a dime. Okay, so I did that and I glued it. Or I can look at it here and I say, oh, this is a quarter. The quarter's worth 25 cents. Oh, and I see that this book is worth 25 cents, and I'm gonna glue that down, okay? Again, up to you on which way you wanna do that, okay? So again, I could look at it and I could see this pencil is worth 1 cent, so I'm gonna look for my penny. Here's Abraham Lincoln. Or I could pick up my picture, my card, and say, oh, this is a dime or a nickel, this is a nickel. And oh, I see the glue stick is worth 5 cents, okay? So it's up to you which way you want to do that, okay? So that's your second option, okay? And you wanna glue all of those down, okay? Your final option is to play the game, and we're gonna talk about that more tomorrow, okay? So again, I want you to have lots of fun getting all this review and practicing our coins, and I don't want you to remember that our big job is to see, can I figure out which coin is which? And remember how much those coins are worth, okay? So to close, penny, 1 cent, nickel, 5 cents, dime, 10 cents, quarter, 25 cents. Have a great rest of your day and keep counting those coins.